Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 今 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 今 today. Now, for example, 今朝 at the present. Now, here is a sentence. You are very stubborn, but you aren't very ambitious. You usually live for today, not tomorrow. 你很固执，却没有多大抱负。你一般是今朝有酒今朝醉。Very stubborn. But you aren't very ambitious. You usually live for today, not tomorrow.你很固执，却没有多大抱负。你一般是今朝有酒今朝醉。你很固执，却没有多大抱负。你一般是今朝有酒今朝醉。My daily handwriting on the character 今 今 today, now. 今朝 at the present, now. You are very stubborn, but you aren't very ambitious. You usually live for today, not tomorrow. 你很固执，却没有多大抱负。你一般是今朝有酒今朝醉。Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character 今. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.